Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair Guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20 week having a Mercedes E Class. We're talking about the generation that you see right here from year 2010 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the power windows relay is located, stay with us. We'll explain where you can expect to find it on that generation W212 E Class, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17, guys, this is the W212, guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money, guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located, guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road, guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work, guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars, guys, in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, okay, what we need to check here now. We'll be working on that Mercedes E Class right here, that generation. Now, this is the pre-facelifted model of that generation. This is the facelifted model, but it should work for both. They're practically built on the same generation. Now, we have multiple fuse boxes. Today we're working two. The first one, we need to open the hood. So once you open the hood, here on the driver's side, next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have that cover. Open that cover and you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case, guys, you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays, guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses, guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that, guys. But when disconnecting the car battery, guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000, guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So the power windows relay, where you can expect to find it, guys. Oh, by the way, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Mercedes or any car at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can, guys, save quite a bit of money. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. We have multiple relays here, right, guys? But none of this is for power windows. Power windows do not have a relay. You guys may have up to 4 different fuses, but you do not have a relay. They're controlled by 4 fuses that are known as relay fuses and by the SAM modules, SAM modules, guys. So, the 2 fuses that we need to check in this fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box. We're talking about fuse number 2, right here, and fuse number 3, right there. these two fuses. Then you need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk on your E-Class, come to the side. On the right side you have that cover, pull it out, and that's the main trunk fuse box. Here guys, we need to check two more fuses guys. Okay, and we're going to zoom in. We're going to come to that section right here, and we're going to check now fuse number 39 right there and fuse number 41. Those are for power windows as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.